YouTube, this is Abdul Carfix, and I'm doing the upper radiator hose on this 2015 Chrysler 200S with the 3.66 cylinder. Well, here's the problem. The car, this hose leaks on top, in this where a quick connect is. It keeps leaking there, and the customer called me up and told me there's problems. He brought it to me, and I noticed the quick connector here. There's a leakage. So I called the dealer and they ordered this for me. And when they order this for me, I don't see a quick connect on it. They said this is the new updated one. Basically what the problem is, you cannot replace the quick connect here because this guy here, the metal, you cannot cut it. If you try to cut it, you can cut through it. So these fails. Those quick connect, the whole thing is failed. See, it's a get rotted out like that, and it start leaking. So the best way to replace it, guys, remove the top cover right here, top of the radiator right here, and right here is the radiator. Okay, it has a clamp like that. As you see, this is the old one. Okay, basically take the clamp out. Okay, and remove the clamp, and then pull the quick connect from there and pull the hose out. Best way is to drain the coolant first and then do that, and make sure it's cold, it's not hot. Number two, I got this from the dealer. Dealer did not sell me the quick connect, but I was able to find the quick connect at O'Reilly or AutoZone or any auto parts have it. This quick connect, it works great, and this is the part number for it. Okay, you can get the hose. I couldn't find the hose locally, and they told me this is an updated one. This is basically what they updated with it. Is put in a clamp instead of that stupid metal ring that you can't get out. I tried to get it out, I couldn't. And also what happened is the quick connect, you see how they rotted out and they start leaking. So that's the best way to do it, guys. Just hook up this new quick connect, and hook up your hose, fill up the system, bleed it, and you're good to go from there. Use the coolant that calls for, which is the GM or the what do you call it, the deck school. All right, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.